They called her headstrong and uncooperative, and she needed to be broken. The abuse she suffered was incredible. I don't know how anyone can treat an animal that way. She doesn't trust people and has very clear reactions when someone crosses the line. With Velcro, it's all about boundaries. Well, Velcro is one of our most prized colleagues in our business, and she's our go-to horse because she is so gifted at teaching people boundaries. She teaches people respectful approach. So important just to slow down and make sure that the person or the animal wants you to be there.
It's hard until you meet her. It sounds so silly to say that, but pre-COVID, we were teaching the concept of what our dear friend Linda Kahanoff calls space bubbles, which is that we have a certain proximity of space that we're comfortable in communicating with other people. And this horse will tell you very quickly if you are too close.
Velcro can tell us a great deal about ourselves. This giant, beautiful animal who has gone through so much pain will communicate to us so gently without pretext or conditions. It may not always turn out the way we think, but that's because Velcro has no choice but to tell us the truth.
We've adapted Dr. Stephen Porges' polyvagal theory into our equine interventions. In fact, we've coined the term polyvagal equine trained specialists. Like horses, humans spend most of the day scanning their body, asking the question, am I safe? Am I not safe? When you can deconstruct these reactions and try to understand them, the fear tends to disappear. The more we understand, the more we really see how horses are giving us a glimpse of our own neurophysiological self, our autonomic nervous system at work right in front of us.
In the beginning of my recovery, I wasn't sure how to approach people in a way that was comfortable for me. I was always thinking about how to make it comfortable for them. And Velcro really taught me to think about myself and what I needed to feel comfortable. I remember feeling kind of like a failure, but Velcro changed the narrative in a way by coming up to me and letting me touch her, but not halter her. And I had to be okay with that level of frustration and kind of making myself feel like, okay, this is a win. It's just a different kind.
Horses are my safe place, for me. I've been working with horses, as many of us come into the horse industry as a competitive rider. And our relationship with horses is one of control and dominance. I'm used to thinking I'm helping the horse, but it's like really that horse is helping me, really, to be a better human. I may not even be aware of it, the horse is aware of it.
It's what we need to see in ourselves but can't. Often old narratives get in the way of us really understanding what's going on inside of us. We become frightened of our own emotions. As humans, we'll block what is most important to us. Velcro shows us that sometimes we need to shift our perspective and discover a new path to achieve the same goals.
With horses, what they feel on the inside, they wear on the outside. There's no masks. Whereas with people, we're constantly trying to read the mixed message between what someone's saying, what they're feeling, what their body language is saying.
We don't ask her to perform. She's not trained to do this work. It's instinctual to respond this way, and we respect and trust her to find the right thing to do. She's also an amazing friend.